I put safety pins on them, take these off if they buy them, but I can hang them on the front of my table. I can hang them on the curtain behind me. I can hang them, put a thumbtack in the board and hang them up. These are bright and pretty, and people come over and say, what is that? So I want anything and everything to draw people into my booth, because if you come into my booth, chances are you're going to buy something. And if I have different things that are going to catch your eye, I've got a better chance